Hello everybody, welcome to my GD50 submission for the Angry Birds assignment. I'm not going to take too long with this, and I'm speaking really quietly for this one because, I can't really explain, but I have to speak quietly since it's later at night. So what you were supposed to do for this assignment, you were supposed to implement it to where the alien, when you press the space bar, it'll essentially cause it to split into 3 different aliens, and there was a whole bunch of other stuff you were supposed to do with this, like ensure that you can't split whenever you do collision, and also that it doesn't reset or go back to the start state if all 3 of them are still in motion. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this up, and Jesus, that is loud. So yeah, if we head over to this, and if I drag the alien around and I fling it but not press the space bar, it'll just play out as you'd normally expect it to. But as you can hear, you can hear that I have the ability to press the space bar, and it doesn't cause any splitting because we've collided with the ground and the wood. So if I do it again and I press whenever we collide, as you can see, I press space whenever I collided with the wood, and still no splitting. But if I do it while we're mid-air, also actually you can't do it while you haven't launched either. But if I do it whenever we're just going through mid-air, we get a 3-way split. And well, you can't really see the other ones, but I'm assuming that they're like still rolling or something. But either way, whenever, or maybe they stopped, but this one's just still rolling. I have no idea, but well, that's my Angry Birds submission. Next up is Pokemon, and it's seeming to be a pretty easy one, just some menu configurations. Hopefully it'll be Chef's Kiss 10 out of 10 easy. Yep, there we go, it ended.